What are you doing?
Fix assets. Kitchen.
Dude, what the fuck? What are you doing? Are you launching a Polish army in here or something?
Yeah, I am making the Polish division of Intel department that was working here during the Second World War.
It looks like it.
That's why we broke the Enigma. Not the British guys that imposed that.
It's a nice setup you got here. I really like your new office. It's pretty...
You see, that's the employment environment that Colin provides his team play.
Yeah.
So our team is working with this all assets.
Well,
we have to fix them.
I researched on Google what office looks like in Poland, so this is what I found.
That's exactly the point.
Yeah.
We put the cheap labor into environment of many monitors to present them. Wow, this is American company.
Yes. How many monitors you got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a printer. Sweet.
And if you compare it to Polish office, it's exactly like the Polish department of outsourcing. There are 8 monitors and only 1 person is working.
Excellent.
Perfect.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching.
You're fired, by the way.多分その下?これ置いてる Google マップですね。この下。
これですかね。
はい。じゃあこっちから出ていいですか？ダメ？
多分下の
下の方がいい？
下の道ですかね。
はい。Alright, here we are at house number 3. What do we have in store today for house number 3?
Agent is not going with us?
Huh?
Agent is not going with us?
No, we can't.
Ah, it's not his.
It's not his, yes, correct.
Okay.
Oh, we got a beautiful garden in the front here. Wow. Oh, this is not the house.
Not the second one.
It's the second one. Ah, it's twin towers, folks. Twin towers. Beautiful roofs. Nice. Interesting. So is the car park here? That's I'm curious to know.
I think we just passed somebody.
Oh. Okay, so for this house, there is no agent showing us, but we're allowed to get this key box. That's really nice of them. So the password for the key box is... It's Chris's birthday. Let's see if this actually works. Oh, I'm not showing you? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Oh. Cha-ching! Check assets. Hey, you said that backwards. That's okay. Sometimes I can do that. It's my channel. I do whatever I want. Well, here we are, marching at house number 3. Are you ready to see it?
Yes, I'm ready.
But before we can get in there, I have to figure out how to open this fucking door. I feel like that big guy in one of my earlier videos. I couldn't open the door. Remember he's struggling there like this, and he spent like 20 minutes to get me in the house?
And it seems like relatively new doors.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? It was already open.
Uh-oh.
That's hilarious. Hello? Oh, beautiful picture of Fuji right in. Oh, wow. Somebody's been here. Drinks.
Yeah. Somebody is probably using it. Sometimes.
Yeah. Boy, beautiful. Look at that. Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
But never buy the sake with a picture of this horse. Never try it. It's terrible.
Well, okay.
It's probably the worst we have ever had.
Big kitchen. I like that about it when I looked in the pictures. Excellent. Very big. Still usable condition. Oh, wow. Seems like every single house we've been in so far today has had a bed like this. Or they just kept the old lady where she was just dying in her old house. It makes me feel so sad.
Oh, Pauline,
What?
there is a leakage.
Don't show me that yet. Here we are. Beautiful big living room here. Very nice, very attractive. I like that a lot. So I love the entrance. It's very big. And I love the first two rooms. Kitchen needs improvement, but it's got a lot of space to work with. Ah, shit. Somebody took a piss right in the middle of the floor. All right. Something's leaking here. All right, here we are. We got the kitchen here. Beautiful tiles in the washroom here. Just needs a cleaning job. Something's broken. What is that? Oh, that's coming off the tiles. Weird. Oh, we got a washroom. Oh, we got a double washroom. Nice. My allergies are starting to kick in. See, I knew it. I knew these are called dirt rooms, the flooring, but I knew they were concrete.
Yeah, they look like concrete.
I knew it. That's what I said. I thought you said they were dirt. I thought they were concrete.
No,
That's what.
they are only the scratch is there.
Okay. So I really like that. I mean, it's great to make a shop. Hey, we got a chalkboard here too. Huh, no chalk though. Wow, a lot of storage space here. Beautiful roof, ceiling, I should say, not roof. It makes the second floor look pretty sturdy. Hey, who are you? What are you doing in my video?
Random guys in here.
Random gaijin in my video. What's going on here? Yeah, let's check these staircases. A little bit flimsy, but Oh. This is the thing that was in the picture. We didn't know what it was. Still don't know what it is. Anybody know what this is? It's like these rooms were tatami mat rooms, but they took the tatamis out and we're balancing on the skinny boards. So, one person at a time in here.
Not the greatest.
Don't
Okay.
walk up here with me. Yet, just in case. I don't know. I made it over, but I'm like the test factor. If I fall through, then you can save your life. Brains. Zombies are going to come out of the... What are these?
They are wine barrels. They are probably making some illegal alcohol here. I'm joking. But they are barrels.
It's a Polish joke.
Yeah, Polish joke because we are always making some secret alcohols.
I knew it. Oh. Okay.
Not the best floor.
Oh, it's okay. It just... I don't want to risk it. Like, I could feel a little bit of give. Woo! Like that. See what I mean?
Yeah.
He scared the shit out of me. That was just popping to the wood. It's not a big deal. That was nothing to do with the wood. Like it's fine. That's fine.
Can I go there?
If you want.
Or is it not really
Try
safe
it.
to?
Try it. It's okay, but maybe, I don't know, you test it yourself. It's just tatami mat floor. Like with the tatami mat, it's going to be stronger. Because right now you're not balancing on the actual the beams, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
When tatami's on top, it balances out the weight, so.
Oh,
What?
there's something with the windows. Or it seems so.
What? I love the doors, but
Windows.
and I'm just wondering where the leak came through. It must be coming between the two houses, is my guess.
Maybe.
Because when they join stuff like that, it screws it up. Okay. Oh, okay. One person at a time.
Okay.
This is Twin Towers, where that was tower number 1. That's where the archers were sitting.
First tower is in mediocre state. Let's leave something to wish about.
Oh wow, this is a nice, massive work area for stuff. Really cool. Where you can get your garden stuff ready. I like it. Okay. Let's go up to Twin.
And
Seems like an easy fix. Oh, watch out for the nails, that's for sure. Broken glass. It's broken. Interesting. Every single house has something different. Like this lamp. A really low lamp. Look how low that is. It's like, it comes up to my my pecs. If I had pecs. No, it doesn't. It comes up to just below my shoulder. See? Wow. That's so cool. Interesting. It's getting hot in here.
oh,
That's not tatami mats. Well, there might be tatami mats underneath.
I mean,
Oh,
this one.
oh, okay. They're using layers on top of
Yeah,
it.
old one, but
Yeah, they all need to be replaced.
yeah.
It's easy to fix all that stuff, the cushion flooring, if you want, but.
It will be a very hard choice.
What's that? Between houses?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
You know why?
What?
Because in both of them there are floors that has to be fixed in several areas.
Yeah, that's quite normal. I have to fix floors in my house too, for Steve.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I expect. Because of older house.
Yeah.
It's also, not only is it fixing floors, but it's to make it handle bigger guys, you know.
Of course, I know I'm overweight.
No, I'm talking about bigger foreigners in general, because they design them.
I know that.
They design the beams 30 centimeters apart when I do a 20, because it's just 30's too. It can handle it, but over time it wears out quicker.
Yeah.
If you have 20, it never wears out because the pressure is never pushed on any point. So, I mean, that's just simple logic, right? If you want to do 15, you can do 15, but I only do 30 if I run out of wood. I usually try 25 and 20. For me, both houses have different positives and negatives.
Exactly my point. But this tatami is also see?
Yeah.
So there is
It's the wood. It's probably the wood underneath.
the wood underneath.
When I renovated my house, it's always like that. I usually push
okay.
flooring. Yeah. When I took the tatami out the other one, I fell through it was basically paper floor because the wood was so old. It just I just put new.
This part scares me a little bit.
Why?
There is a space to do things.
Yeah.
That's true. But
A lot of potential. I think it's good.
It's not bad.
You're not expecting it to be a beautiful room. You're expecting it to be a
of
workshop
Course, of course.
or like a garden preparation area. You know, when you,
I am thinking about garden preparation.
yeah,
But
that's my idea. Is garden
the
preparation.
biggest negative discovery is this leakage.
Yeah, we'll check it on the outside, but it doesn't sound like it's a big deal. We'll see. All right, inside of house.
To go inside there.
Yeah,
And how was the mats?
I like it.
I mean, they were.
What do you mean? Here?
Okay.
Yeah, they're beautiful. They're good as is.
They seem like.
They're new. They seem pretty new. Like I wouldn't renovate this. See, what I would do is I would change all that to normal Western style flooring, and I'd keep down here the Japanese style, because you don't need to have all of that, you know, just for a person to stay, unless you want to replace the tatami mats again. But it's hard to do the exact, right?
Yeah.
No, this is great as is. This beautiful room. This whole front,
Nice.
this whole front
This
entrance
whole front is very great.
very good, and the kitchen's a big size. I like that. So, all right, we'll march in like house number 3 or not. We'll see you at the end.
Of course.
No, what I said is, will he buy number 3 or not? That's what my question was. All right, let's go check the garden. Yeah, I know. It's okay. All right, so
Should we close it
yeah, in a minute.
some way?
I just want to check the leak in the back here.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, okay, so it's coming. It's probably coming through the hole right over there. When the wind. You gonna come back here and check it out? Okay. I love the surroundings. Beautiful. Oh, broken glass. Okay, I mean, I think those tiles up top are fine, but this lower area here, but there's a hole. Excuse me, a hole in there. You see the hole? Right in the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when it's a strong wind, it probably leaks through there because it wasn't a lot of water, right?
Yeah.
So you can tell it comes in sometimes. And some of my houses did that before too. I had to fix. So. Yeah. Beautiful. Love the environment.
Fix assets. Kitchen.
Harder. Like hit it.
I hit it and
Not-
I got it the kitchen.
Hit it harder, okay? It has to be like, it has to shock me, okay?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Fixing assets. Kaching.
Ching.
I failed it.
Okay? Hard. Did I just crack that?
I think so.